What's up, YouTubians? Gary, VW Jawbreaker. Welcome back to a quick video. I had a company reach out to me and say, hey Gary, can you do us a favor and check out the Foxwell battery analyzer. This thing works with 12-24 volts, works with lead acid batteries, AGM, all kinds of different batteries. You hook this cable up to your car and it'll check your cold cranking amps, your overall health of the battery, your charging system. Does quite a bit. This is the Foxwell battery analyzer BT705. So I figure let's go ahead real quick and hook it up to Jawbreaker and check that battery out. All right, so you've got nice long alligator clamps. Matter of just hooking your negative to negative and positive to positive. And there we go, it's booting up. Shows 12.62 volts. So we'll go ahead and go to menu. Let's go ahead and test the battery. It's a 12 volt system. It's a regular, not a start-stop battery. It's in the vehicle. It's actually a top post. It's an AGM. It automatically picked that up. That's pretty cool. Cold cranking amps. This one's actually 1,000 cold cranking amps. So you just use the up-down arrows here to set your cold cranking amps. Please wait. All right, shows the battery's good. It measured 722 out of 1,000 crank amps. You can actually do a starter test on it, but we decided not to. Showing 12.61 volts, and it shows resistance is only 4.1 mega ohms. 73% battery health. That's pretty good. Overall, not bad for that red top Optima. That is actually a November of 2019 battery. So this battery is coming up on 4 years old pretty quick. So that's awful nice. Now this thing does have a lot of other features to it. You can check your alternator, you can check your starter. There's quite a bit of nice features. And it even has a Bluetooth option and a print the results option to Wi-Fi or Bluetooth to your printer. So there you go. Nice tool to have in your garage, in your shop. You can always double check your charging system and know exactly if you have a problem or not. So there you go. You can't beat a good quality tool. Keep you organized and up to date and check here in the shop. So I'll go ahead and drop a link below. Make sure you check it out. Definitely a good tool. So as always, be kind to one another and be good.